Today, I'm gonna make a rice cake dumpling soup, so-called 떡만두국. Actually, it is our tradition to eat a rice cake soup in a new year. If you don't eat a rice cake in a new year, then you wouldn't be regarded as 1 year older than the last year. So it is must-have thing to do for most Koreans. Hope you could join, make it together, and share our tradition and culture. So let's dive in. I'm gonna steam the dumpling first. Brush the oil on the surface of tar pot so the dumpling won't stick together. Last time I happened to steam dumpling without oil and dumpling was stick to the surface. When I tried to take it up, it was totally spoiled. Or else, you can use a paper foil with a hole instead. And I'm gonna use a kimchi dumpling, which is one of my favorites. You can use any kinds of dumpling if you want. When they're done, leave them on the side and let's make a stock. Put a little amount of kelp and 4 cups of water. I usually use an anchovy with a kelp, but this time I'll skip that ingredient. Simmer them in a medium heat for 15 minutes. You can see the stock turn to yellow. Take them out using a net. And I'm gonna put a garlic, soy sauce, and salt inside. Wash your rice cake with a running water. Any kinds of starch on the surface of rice cake would make a stock untransparent. And that's why you have to wash it thoroughly. Put them inside a stock and also put a steamed dumpling inside as well. The reason why I steamed the dumpling in the first place is to make a clear stock. Boil this in a medium heat for 2 minutes. You don't have to boil too much time because it'll get too soggy. And put a sliced spring onion inside. Boil this for 1 more minute and put a beaten egg inside. And turn off the heat right away. You can make a rice cake dumpling soup in a really short time. Let's transfer them to a bowl. There's nothing in the world like steaming bowl of rice cake dumpling soup. It is warm and cozy. Happy New Year and give this video a thumbs up. Please hashtag my channel in your Instagram or Twitter. See you next time. Bye bye.